So starting in fifth, we're going to go into our grand Allegro jumps, traveling. So you're going to start with a chassé through to second. You're bringing the left leg in, 2 runs, and you're going to use the floor pressure to swish that foot into a nice assemblé, landing in fifth. And then we just repeat it through the second side. 1, in, run, swish to land in fifth. We're going to do the same thing, but we're going to add in a turn. So you're turning back on yourself, run, assemblé, chassé, in, run, assemblé. So you're going to start with a chassé through to second. You're bringing the left leg in, 2 runs, and you're going to use the floor pressure to swish that foot into a nice assemblé, landing in fifth. And then we just repeat it through the second side. 1, in, run, swish to land in fifth. We're going to do the same thing, but we're going to add in a turn. So you're turning back on yourself, run, assemblé, chassé, in, run, assemblé. Okay, into the ground, clean fifth to land. Connect the arms to the back.